Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Today, we're diving into the world of monitoring with ZABBIX. Whether you're a systems engineer, IT professional, or just someone looking to get started with network monitoring, this video is for you. Further, we are going to download ZABBIX Agent and install it in our host machines and connect our host machines with ZABBIX server. We can install ZABBIX in all mentioned OS distributions. I am selecting ZABBIX Agent for Windows machine. We have hardware types and ZABBIX versions here. As per our requirement, we can select any of it. We have two variations of agents here. I am downloading ZABBIX Agent version 7.0.2. Now installing ZABBIX Agent MSI in our system. We start installation here. We have three features of installation agent daemon, ZABBIX Sender and ZABBIX Get. These three features are the utilities for getting data from host and sending to ZABBIX server. Next here we insert our host name, which is TMLIT, and next we need to enter our ZABBIX server IP address and go next towards finishing our installation. Accessing our ZABBIX web interface to create our host by getting into monitoring tab on the left side of page, go to host and create host. I've already registered my host, so I'll be doing a dummy entry here. We type machine host name and select Windows by ZABBIX Agent Active in Templates tab. Further, we see host groups where we select discovered host. Looking into interfaces, we will add agent interface and put our host machine IP address where agent is deployed. It's showing the error of host already exists, so we'll just cancel it and get back to see our host dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully deployed a ZABBIX agent in Windows host and registered it on ZABBIX server. Now you can start monitoring your host and enjoy the powerful features ZABBIX has to offer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy monitoring!